Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Check that both your sender and cast device share the exact Wi-Fi SSID because mismatched networks block discovery. Once done, power cycle the router and the cast target. Wait 30 seconds after lights stop blinking so services restart. Also make sure your phone or tablet has Bluetooth on and location permission for the casting app. These help the device find the cast receiver. If any setting is off, fix it and reattempt discovery immediately. Next, align network addressing and services so discovery reliably works. Reserve or assign a static IP for the cast device in the router DHCP settings because frequent IP changes break session handshakes. Then, disable access point isolation or client isolation and enable multicast and UPnP. These protocols carry discovery packets. Once those are set, update router firmware and the cast device software. Make sure the casting app is the newest build. After updates, restart the cast app. To finish, reconfigure the cast device from a clean state. Factory reset it only when other steps fail, then set up Wi-Fi and reauthorize the casting app. Use router logs and simple tools, ping an MDNS browser, to confirm the receiver answers on the network and responds to discovery requests. If problems persist, isolate the issue by creating a mobile hotspot and connecting both devices to it. If casting works there, the router is the culprit. One key tip: test on a hotspot before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.